And we get to the dessert. You can just enjoy this cake on its own or add the cream. It's good either way. Start by mixing the dry ingredients, the flour, baking soda, and salt together. Take the wet ingredients such as the eggs and sugar and put them in a mixing bowl. Then mix all that on medium speed for about 3 minutes. Add in the chocolate, coffee, carob powder, and cream while still mixing. Combine the wet and dry ingredients and pour them into your pan. I'm using a bundt pan, but you can use whatever pan you have. Bake it for 30 minutes. After baking, cool it on a cake rack. This is what it looks like without the cream. And here's the cake with the cream. It's great either way. Some people like it better without the cream, but other people really like the cream too, so it's up to you. The pairing for this is a sweet red Zinfandel-based wine. It tastes like prunes and blackberry. It's very rich. This wine was bottled in 2014, so it tastes aged as well. It's the kind of wine you want to end a meal.